Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert icons in your Microsoft Word document. So firstly open Word, then here click on insert and here the option icons, click on it. You need an internet connection to insert icons. While you are offline, you can insert icons from your computer. So turn on Wi-Fi. Now select any icon which you need. You can search here. There are some more options. Category like medical, education, animals, sport. Select it, then insert. So this way you can insert any icon in Microsoft Word document. Once you double click on it, so you have the options. So click here. So this way guys, you can insert icon in Word document. Thanks for watching.